topic is: in the past, many people had skills such as making their own clothes and doing repairs to things in the house. In many countries nowadays, skills like these are disappearing. How do you think this change is happening? How far is this situation true in your country? Now listen to the Band 9 response.
In earlier times, practical skills such as sewing clothes, fixing household items, or basic carpentry were common among people. However, in many countries today, these skills are rapidly disappearing. This essay will explore the reasons behind this change and examine how far this is true in my own country. One key reason for the decline of these traditional skills is the rise of consumerism. Nowadays, it is easier and often cheaper to buy new items rather than repair old ones. Additionally, the fast-paced lifestyle of modern society leaves people with little time or interest in learning such skills. Technology has also played a role, as most household items are now complex and not easily repaired by the average person. Another contributing factor is the shift in education and career focus. People are more interested in white-collar jobs and academic qualifications than in learning practical hands-on abilities. Schools rarely teach these skills anymore, which further adds to their disappearance. In my country, this trend is very much visible. In the past, it was common for people to stitch their own clothes or repair broken appliances. Today, however, people prefer tailors, mechanics, and ready-made products. While there are still some who hold on to these traditions, especially in rural areas, urban populations rely heavily on professionals for even small tasks. In conclusion, the loss of traditional skills is largely due to modern lifestyles, technological advancement, and changes in social and economic values. While this may be practical, it also creates a sense of dependency and reduces self-sufficiency. Encouraging basic skill development could help strike a better balance.
Thank you for watching. Find the link in bio to get access of more than 100 letters and essays and their Band 9 level responses.